Alright, this is the second video in this series. I'm going to take you through the basic usage of your digital planner, including on how to start the program. Notice because I click the I want an icon on my desktop button in the email spreadsheet I sent to you, I have an icon available to me right here that says My Digital Planner. Again, on each workstation you use, this icon won't be available unless you've gone back into that spreadsheet I sent you in the email and clicked the button to add an icon to your desktop. So it doesn't come on there automatically. However, if you want to get to the program, you can also access it through your H drive. There's a My Digital Planner icon and shortcut available for you there for whatever workstation you're on. So I'm going to access the digital planner through that. I double click it and it takes a minute or two to load. Each time you run the program, it's going to run through a short loading sequence. It doesn't take too long, and you're left at this screen right here. It says, "Welcome new user. Since this is my first time using the program, I have to tell it who I am and which version of the test calendar I'd like to use." Now, I'm going to go into the drop down here. A quick note on these. You see the little arrow icon here to the right. I need to click on that, and I can use these scroll bars over on the right here to look down for my name. I'm down in the H's. Here I am. I've clicked on my name now, and I can see the sections I'll be teaching this year. This information is automatically pulled from the Blackbaud database, so when you click on your name, you should see an up-to-date list of all your sections. Now, I'm an upper school teacher, so I'm going to make sure that's selected. If I was a middle school teacher, of course, I'd want to see the middle school version of the test calendar, but I'll leave it as upper school for now. Now that I have all my information set up, I'm going to click on the Start button, and it's going to go back to the loading screen here while it configures everything for the first time. Now, a quick note, the first time you run the program, it needs to make your timeline views, which takes a few minutes, but once that's done, it won't run again. We should see there it is. You get a progress bar, and this will run for a few seconds. I'm going to fast forward through this now, but just know it'll take a minute, so be patient. Okay, it's run through the timeline construction for all my sections, and I've reached the end. It'll save the timelines, so the next time it won't have to generate them. And as soon as it's done with that, it's going to drop me off at my dashboard screen. Here we go. This is the dashboard. This is the main view that you will use in your digital planner. It allows you to access the various features of the program. Now, real quickly, I want to illustrate a particular feature of Excel that I think you might find useful. The entire program is built in Excel, so if you're familiar with Excel, all the normal keyboard shortcuts, etc. apply. One thing you may find you need at some point is the ability to zoom in and zoom out. If you notice, I can't see the bottom of the screen here. I have to scroll down. What you can do is if you hold the Control key and use your mouse wheel, you can zoom in and zoom out. See, if I scroll up, I zoom in. Control, scroll back, zoom out. I'll keep this about at this size because this gives me all my information right on one screen. There are 5 main views: planner, timeline, week schedule, year schedule, and of course schedule management. As well as a couple buttons down here to print out assignment sheets based on the curriculum and homework information you add into your database here. This is the basic interface for the program. Next, I'm going to run you through how to use the schedule management section of the program, which is the view I think almost everyone will need to access. So I'll run you through that next.